Hi, this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2015 Traverse LTZ. It's a one owner with a clean Carfax. It does have a 3.6 liter V6 engine, front fog lamps, still got some pretty good tread on the tires. Got your power windows and your power locks. Dark leather interior. Climate controls. It's got your color touchscreen navigation system, satellite radio. Does have third row seating. Seats do fold down for extra storage. Got your rear backup camera, your power lift gate, third row also folds down for extra storage. It's got your power seats. It's got a heating steering wheel. Steering wheel controls for Bluetooth. And this is Rob with Smith Chevrolet, and this is our 2015 Traverse LTZ.